Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mr. English podcast. I'm Ali, your guide on this exciting journey of English learning.
And I'm Sarah. We're super excited to have you with us today. This is going to be so much fun.
Many people say they want to speak English, but they often feel lost about where to start. They think English is, difficult. But the truth is, it gets easier with daily practice, just like training for a marathon.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's like if you want to learn to cook a new recipe, you wouldn't just look at the ingredients and hope for the best, right? You've got to practice.
Exactly. Today, we'll have a conversation in simple English to help you build confidence.
Ooh, I love that idea. Plafs. So, Ali, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you, Sarah?
I'm fine too. It was a busy day, but you know what? I'm really happy to be here chatting with you.
That's awesome! What did you do today?
Well, I went to college in the morning, came home, finished my homework, and then I practiced my English for like 30 minutes.
That's a really good habit. How do you practice?
I watch English videos, read short stories. Oh, and I try to speak every day. It's like working out for your brain.
Nice. So, do you make mistakes while practicing?
Of course. Don't we all? I mean, mistakes help us learn, right? But I've noticed a lot of students are, so afraid of making them.
Yes, absolutely. But remember, confidence is more important than perfect grammar. If you wait to be perfect, you'll never get started.
Whoa, that's such an interesting point. It's like learning to ride a bike. You don't just hop on and zoom away. You kind of wobble before finding your balance.
Exactly. Start with simple sentences and, improve gradually.
Oh, and let's imagine we're meeting for the first time. Like, a role play? This is going to be fun.
Yes, smiling. Here we go. Hi, my name is Ali. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. So, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. And you?
I'm from Pakistan too. What a coincidence.
So, what do you do in your free time?
I enjoy watching movies and learning new vocabulary. Chuckles. It's like two different ways to learn, visual and verbal.
Exactly. Which English word did you learn today?
I learned the word confident. It means believing in yourself, right?
Yes, exactly. Confidence is crucial for learning any language. Even if your English isn't perfect, just keep speaking.
Oh wow, do you have any advice for beginners? What should they focus on first?
Absolutely. Learn 5 new words daily and speak for 10 minutes. And here's a tip. Never compare yourself to others. Instead, focus on being better than you were yesterday.
I really like that. Learning English is like a roller coaster ride. There will be ups and downs, but it's all part of the fun.
You nailed it. Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Oh wait, before we end, let's give our listeners a challenge.
Great idea! Today's challenge is to introduce yourself in English and practice 3 times. And hey, feel free to record your voice to evaluate your pronunciation.
That sounds super fun. Times laughs. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this conversation helped you learn English naturally.
Yes, keep practicing every day and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning with Mr. English, and remember to stay curious.